Good evening traders, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the trades which I took today and what is the logic behind that. If you see in my today's morning video, I clearly mentioned that how you have to be prepared before the market open. If you want more details, you can go back and check the today's video. So in that, I clearly mentioned that today is going to be a bullish day. So let's go and analyze the trades which I took today. I go to 5 minutes time frame and I'll go to orders. The first order which I was holding 100 quantity from yesterday. Okay. Then I bought 600 quantities at 916 and 100 quantities at 918. Let's go here. Where is that? Exactly here. So it was clear sign that it's going to be a bullish day. I added my quantities here and also here. When it broke the previous day high, I'm sure that it will go further. So there are two reasons I took this trade. One is that when this engulfing candle happened here on the 27th, it was a clear sign of bullish. So when yesterday, the other reason is whenever the trade closes near the yesterday's low, the next day will be a gap down or gap up. The sign in here is, if you check on yesterday's trade, it is closed almost here around 40,365. Whenever the market closes near the previous day, if it closes at the previous day low, then tends to be open in gap up. If it closes near the previous day high, it tends to open at the gap down. So based on these two reasons, I took a trade of 100 quantities. When it's confirmed that when it broke the previous day high, I added more quantities. Okay. Then there was a support I mentioned 41,265. I booked a profit here around 800 quantities, total 800 quantities around 11 p.m. Okay. Quickly go here. It's around here. Okay. Somewhere here. Okay, I booked a profit here. Then I waited for the retracement. Let me see when I took next trade. I took next trade of 1400 quantity at 12:55 and 12:57. What is that time? It's around here. Okay, this is also one of the strategies I follow. Whenever this kind of candle forms, there is a chances that the market will go up. So I took my trade here and I closed it around 232, and the final one I bought is around 326. So I will also explain this, what is the logic behind 300 quantity holding. So I bought at 2 o'clock and I bought at 12 to around 1 o'clock and I sold some of the quantities at 397 and some of the quantities 415. Okay, so I was trailing the stop loss. So as a trader, you should know that whenever the market is with you, you should not book the profit at one time. Okay, so I booked a 900 quantity here. I let the market run. Then again I booked around 18 points on the 1500 quantity. Sorry, 500 quantity. Then I took 300 quantity at 326 before closing the market. I will explain the reason behind that. So most of the cases, not all the time, most of the cases, what happens? It's just not about how to trade. It's also about how to think. Let's see here. Whenever the trending market happens, somewhere trader should book the profit. Here, some partial profit has been booked. From here, again it is raised. And the next level, the partial profit is already booked here. So, in this case, The first point is, if it is a trending day, the next day it may be a little bit gap down, and if it breaks the previous day high, and it will go further. But here the property is already booked, profit is already booked today. So there is a chance that on Monday market may open above 41,388, and it may go little bit up, then the profit booking will start. So I'm holding 300 quantities. You can see here around 326. I will book this profit immediately after the market opens. So what is my risk here? So the total investment is around 1 lakh. The risk I'm taking is around 30,000. Okay. So I will show you the total profit I made it today. So you can see here the total profit I made it is 4,38,050. So I will also refresh this for the confirmation. Okay. See here. The total order is here. So I have taken only few orders based on my analysis. It doesn't mean that if you have a trending day like this, many people will lose in the trending day. So thinking that market will reverse from somewhere. Some people, you can see here, some people think that when the doji candle forms, market will fall down from here. Whenever this stop loss hits, it will go up. Okay. Most of the times what happens, in the market is a very good friend of traders and also very bad enemy of the traders, and it's all depends on the day. Okay. If you want more details, you can go back to my morning video and check how to prepare yourself before the market opens. Okay. And what are the strategies I made, and how I create a strategy, how I do the back testing of the historical data. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button, and wait for the more educational videos like this in the future. So I highly recommend you to use the next day pivot with CPR indicator in the trading view, so that you will have the next day pivot points already created. So here also, this is also one of the strategies I follow. Whenever the CPR is above the CPR, the market is tend to open in a bullish side. Whenever it is downside the previous day CPR, it tends to open it lower side. So not all the times, most of the times. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to more educational videos like this. And you can also watch my today's video, morning video for the historical data. How you can collect the historical data for free. Thank you.